Yeah, you didn't hear anything?
And then tomorrow is Tuesday, and then we go back to school on Wednesday. So.
Oh no, we have book reports on Monday.
Monday when?
Next Monday. Did you read your book? Dude, I'm only like halfway through my book. I'm so gonna fail.
No, I finished the book.
I'm so scared.
Yeah,
we're at Subway right now. We're doing another Subway video.
I finished the book before I turned in my lunch. I ate a bowl.
See, this is the problem with me choosing 450-page books.
I'm gonna end up getting an A.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna end up getting an A, but I have 10 points off of it.
A or less.
A or less. I know it, like...
No, B or less.
My last one
A
was
is like
like...
95.
Forget what my last one was. My last one was like a...
I've done good on the last.
I think my last one was like an A minus or something. Maybe a B.
D and I think math. I thought I get so low.
Oh yeah, I think I have a D in math too. Maybe a C. I think I have like a C minus or something like that.
Really shot your record. Really off.
You're good at math.
The freaking bases. Those were so annoying.
Bases.
Those took so long. They were pretty easy, but they just took forever.
Bases work.
Dude, I would sit there for like an hour straight doing my homework at home.
Okay, tell me what bases work.
Bases were like something about the freaking Matrix or some crap. Computers use it, base 2.
Oh, the base 2.
And then
Is it?
yeah, it just took a while.
It was just multiply. It was like,
Well, it was like blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, that.
It would take so
And then
long.
also the hexadecimals were pretty good.
But eventually, I just get
hexadecimals.
angry and I just went a number. Hold up.
I did that sometimes too. Or I'd use a
This is what number I
calculator.
have now. I'm gonna write that down.
Or I'd just use a calculator.
Sometimes the review is harder than the lesson. You know how I feel?
Sometimes I'll be sitting in Mrs. Sahar class and I'll be like, what the heck? What is this?
Yeah.
You never talked about this?
I'd be like, you know, screw this, I'm out. Flip my desk over. Just run out of the classroom.
And I have to like, go back to the book.
Dude, our math class is fun because Miss Butter lets us talk about math kind of things. It's like,
My math class is so freaking boring. Dude, you just sit there. I sit by,
your math
I sit in like the very far corner. And like, I'm by Hunter and Ben.
You didn't just sit in the far corner.
Yeah, I know, but I'm by Hunter and Ben. And then,
And she let us switch seats.
and then I will always just like walk over and grab my binder and be like,
Julian.
Yeah, Julian sit where he wants. Okay, so Danny and Michael both move
I
seats.
think she's throwing favoritism to your class.
Well, the kids were better. They don't like we're better behaved usually.
Better behave.
Usually, except for Julian.
So much she tells us.
Not Julian.
I mean, Julian moved behind me, and he keeps on switching. Michael moved in front of me, and then Danny moved like here's the desk over, and then he sits behind that.
It's just majestic.
I see going on Instagram while I'm taking a video.
Dude, this song is so majestic.
Doesn't even know it's like.
We're back in my house right now.
What's private battle?
You can just play like a private match with only your friends.
Ranked battle.
Ranked battle and then squad battle.
What's a squad? Like, it's like
I've never played it. I don't even know what it is. No, you can't, because none of my friends are on.
I'm your friend. I'm on. No.
No, wait, check. Wait, click the regular battle one.
Regular?
Yeah, this one.
Friends?
Yeah, just click it. Okay, none of my friends are on.
Okay. Danny?
No, none of my friends are on.
Oh, I almost just say it. Yeah. What's private battle? With friends. What's squad? Okay. I see. Okay, yeah. I'll do another job. Oh. Oh, look, Sam. It's right there.
Get him! Oh my god.
Why the frog?
Why the frog?
I said fog.
I know.
Why the fog? I didn't have to bagel this.
Only a few seconds left. Ben, stop.
Huh?
Stop eating all them. I got those yesterday, dude.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
Look at Ultimate.
Ultimate?
What was that?
That was the killer whale
Why
thing.
the fuck don't we do anything?
Look, we need to get one of those.
Sam's gonna be so triggered if you lose.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Look at this.
Oh yeah, he's lost.
Oh, I would laugh if you got super triggered.
You see like the high side of his team be like, what the?
Hey.
Right?
What the actual?
Oh, he got the lowest.
Don't murder my
He
gamepad.
got the lowest. He got the,
Nothing in there.
he got the lowest score.
Oh my god, because none of my team backed me up.
I know. Happens to me too.
Okay, we're going. See you, Josh.